Hello guys, and I'm going to be doing a tutorial. So, I just released my new song. This is obviously an altered version. Actually not obvious, but there's this one track, this. If we go here, if I right click this, alt right, not that, hold up. If I alt right click, I'm going to show you how to make that growl. Step 1, obviously open up a new template or open up a new project. New template. Do not save this. I don't want this horrendous edited version. What you're gonna do is you're gonna want to open up your channel rack. Replace the default sampler with a flex. With flex. Go to mobile tuned 808 bass. And choose an 808. I'm gonna choose this one. Turn up the modulate, drive, crush it a bit, saturate it, press it, stereo. Turn up the stereo to a bit. Do not turn up high pass or it'll do this. Then what you want to do is, open it up in panel roll. Place it in there. Make it nice long. Alright, now you got that. You want to paint that in. And you want to go back to here. Click on 808 chomped. And click this. Then create automation clip. Then go here and go crazy. Go crazy. What I like to do is make it go pitch up like this. Alright. That's good. And that is how you make a spinach growl. You can modulate it as much as you want. I think I'm just gonna extend this out. What I used was something quite different from this, but let's see how this sounds. So I think I'm going to clear this and make a new one. But that's basically how you do it. So I want to clear this. I can't clear it, okay. What one did I have? I think I had none of these. to keep these below the top, so it's not high pitched too much, but I like to keep them like around there. Stuff like that, that's how you make spinach growl. That's like the easiest way to make a dubstep growl, but thank you for watching.